back at the garage again, so I'm just going to get the Civic moved, the van moved, and open the garage up, get the bike out, and then we can take a look and see how the paint dried on the Mini. Before I get started though, I need to tidy the garage up because I was fixing my auntie's car last night and just kind of threw all the tools in when I was done, but hey ho. So I'm just going to get cracking on this. Look at the mess in here. She's looking good. Right, let's get the bike out. So, garage is kinda tidy. Get a quick look at the, oh, big wasp. Trying to sting me. Oof. Bastard wasps. Pretty good. It's hard to see in here just because of the plastic sheets kind of reflecting off it. She is looking good. Oh, I just banged my head. Oops, backfire. So, decent shine off it already, but still need more paint on it, so I think another 3 coats maybe. So all I'm going to do is give it a wipe down with some tack rags and some panel wipe. No, in fact, no panel wipe, just the tack rags, and get some more paint mixed up. Looking well good, so I'm just gonna start removing some masking tape, get it off the axle stands and just push it out a wee bit and start taking the plastic sheets off the garage. Just look at that, but she is looking amazing. Really pleased with the results. It's only going to get better once it's been flatted and polished, so really good.
that day. No, 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 I'll leave it. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, 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 I'll leave it. No, I'll never forget that day. No, no, never forget that day. No, no, no.
Right guys, so that was a quick look at the shell being painted. Let me know what you think of it. I think it's turned out really good. I'm pleased with the finish that I've got with it for painting it inside a garage that's dusty and dirty. And first time I've painted a car as well, so learned a lot from what I've done. And yeah, let me know if how you think the colour is as well, if you think the colour's going to suit the car. I think it should be a bit darker or lighter. Personally, I think it's going to look really, really good once it's all complete. Speaking of which, hopefully at the weekend I'll be able to get the doors and the boot prepped and ready for paint. So it'll look really good once that's on as well. So I'll finish up this video here and check back for the next one. Thanks for watching.